1 Minute Kitchen, sponsored by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona. Look what the kids are doing in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Get kids in the kitchen and great things can happen, like today's celebration. Katie Caffarelli won the grand prize in the Walk On Kids Cooking Challenge with her recipe Totally AveSome, and she's sharing her award-winning original recipe with the kids. Now, Katie sautéed some fresh corn, garlic, shallots, and a little cumin, and then let it cool. Now in a bowl, you add red bell pepper, a can of black beans, a couple of avocados, a mango, and remember you can squeeze fresh citrus over the avocado to keep it from turning brown, and then some lime juice and cilantro. And how about totally AveSome bowls to serve it in? Scoop into the avocado shells and top with feta. Katie, this is a winner. It's totally AveSome. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen, sponsored by Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona. For more information about Nourishing Arizona, visit nourishingarizona.com.